In this video, I explain the different question and diagram types that exist in TEDME. To do this, I open an existing lecture. I open the annual general meeting, click here to edit and create a new question. The different question types are listed in question types. I will briefly explain each individual question from top to bottom. With single choice, I can provide different answer options. Let's choose John, Smith and Kennedy. The user has the opportunity to make his choice now. Multiple choice basically works in a similar way. The difference is that I can specify how many answer options the user can choose. Percentage value or numeric value. Let's take the question, how convincing was the speaker, and again give different answer options. The user has the option of using sliders, one for each of the speakers, to indicate how well he or she was convinced by this speaker. Free text. Here I have the opportunity to specify how many answers the participant can give. I'll choose 2 and whether there's a time limit. The word cloud is often chosen for the presentation. Frequently mentioned answers are shown in bold here. Numeric free text works in a similar way. Here, the participant only has the opportunity to provide a number as an answer. With ranking, the user has to put the answer options in an order and say, this is my place 1, place 2 and place 3. With matrix, the user is given answer options and can assign the values 1 to 5 to those answer options. In this case, how convincing were John, Smith and Kennedy? Quiz. As the name suggests, quizzes involve answering a question and giving a correct answer. In my example, I ask, whose birthday is it today? I say it's Kennedy's birthday, and the participants have to decide, and then we'll see how well the participants know their speakers. Question type NPS, Net Promoter Score. This type is often found in the question, would you recommend us, and works with values from 1 to 10. Only the positive values 9 and 10 are taken into account in relation to the negative 1 to 6 and are placed in relation to each other. 7 and 8 are ignored as neutral. The corresponding comparison values can be monitored and tracked over a long-term period in order to track, for example, approval ratings or recommendation rates. As the name says, a two-step question actually consists of 2 questions that are related to each other. For example, did you like it today? With a numerical value and a slider from 1 to 10, and then, who was the best speaker? Here, the participants are given different answer options, such as John, Smith and Kennedy. Approval is one of the easiest questions. We ask a closed question, such as, did you like the video, which is answered positively or negatively by the participant. On the other hand, our election questions, such as decision-making, single-choice election, multi-choice election, or a panachage are somewhat more special. Decision-making is simply a given question in which the answer options yes, no and abstention are possible. Single-choice election and multiple-choice election work as single-choice or multiple-choice questions. However, there are a few more settings here. For example, it can be chosen whether the voting behavior and the majorities should be displayed, whether it takes a simple, qualified or an individual majority to win the choice. It can be specified whether abstentions are allowed and whether alternative suggestions are possible. With the panachage, I can specify how many votes each participant has. He then distributes those votes to the different answer options. For example, I give Smith 3 votes and Kennedy 7 out of my 10 possible votes. In addition to the different question types, there are also different diagram types. In this example, I now have column chart and bar chart available. When changing the question type, I also have other diagram types to choose from. In another video, you can explore what the questions look like from the point of view of your participants. Enjoy experimenting!